Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel on trading, the trading sailor. Good evening, and today trading, we will talk about today's trading. It wasn't that good, to be frank, because the strategy didn't work out properly, the one which I normally do. For HDFC Life, there was we basically had taken two trades today. For intraday, it was HDFC Life and SBI Life. So HDFC Life, there was a long call which was given if and only if the stock closes above 597.6, but that trade was not active because such a closing did not happen. So that also I mentioned that the trade is cancelled. The next was immediately given for shorting of HDFC Life, and somewhere about 194, somewhere near about sorry, not 194, 594 we had shorted, and the first target was about 590, second target was about 588. So I could hold on till 588 and I got some 6 points profit. So it was a good 1:1.5 risk reward ratio, and I could get some good about 6,000, some 6,000, 7,000 rupees in HDFC Life. And the next trade was for a long trade for SBI Life. However, this did not the trade did not go well because the SBI Life appeared to be more of a sideways today, and my stop loss, I just exited with a minimal stop loss of about 2 points, and then I entered the short trade, which also did not go down as I had anticipated. So that also went for about 2 to 3 points loss. So in fact the total loss was 5 points for this trade, and since it was about the lot size was 750, still I could get some profit of about 2000 odd rupees, 2000 plus something rupees on for today's intraday trade. However, yesterday, if you remember, by the end of the by the closing of yesterday's market, I had given to buy for REC Limited, and also in the morning before the market opened, I had posted at about 9:10, just before the market opens, at least 5 minutes before market opens, that to for safe traders to exit on the open of the market, because it would have opened at 107.1, so we would get a risk reward ratio of almost 1:1. And because I anticipated that it might go down, but I was still holding it, and I even revised my sell, so I ended up in a loss of 6,000 rupees in that one. My stop loss got hit, but those who had safe traders who would have followed my TradingView account would easily get 0.8 points, which was about 5,000 rupees, 4,800 to 5,000 rupees, something like that. So that's all about today. In net total, it should have been a profitable day for others, but for me it was a loss for about 3,000 plus, so plus brokerage and everything, it should be around 4,000 rupees loss today. And then for commodities, I have not put any idea. So today I had shorted, and in commodities I had shorted natural gas, so I could make up some amount in that one, and that's it. So for today it was not a very good day for me. It was more of a loss, I would say, and just like okay profits, but overall for the week, if we see, we have managed easily to get more than 30,000 rupees this week profit. If you go through my previous videos, you can just see that I have been mentioning it. Each and everything is available in my TradingView account, the Trading Sailor, and you can easily see all the ideas are there. In fact, today I had also just posted for shorting of SBI Life after the long trade hit the stop loss, but then it did not seem to be a good call, so I did not post it after that, and I also just exited it. So we will see for Monday how the scenario is, and probably by tomorrow that is Saturday evening or by Sunday evening, I will post a video on my review for the next week on the stocks and the market. It's just my reviews, nothing. It's not my call. It's not any idea. It's purely my views. I would be just sharing my views on what I see, what I read, what I infer from the charts. If you like my ideology, if you're able to make even a few thousand rupees from my free views that I put in TradingView, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also to the TradingView account, so that you can get all the updates that I do instantaneously. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.